Hello, sir. This is Rashid from Visit Expo.
Okay.
So, please introduce yourself and how is Setfab advancing innovation in commercial and industrial laundry solutions?
Okay, so Setfab is a 50-year-old company and we are exhibiting at Laundry for probably the 14th time. And we have been partnering with them for quite some time. It's a brilliant show. And here we have showcased a lot of machines, from the washing machines to dryers to automatic feeders, folders, stackers. So when you talk about advanced, it's more about saving energy, water and manpower. So this is what we focus now these days, in the times to come. And you see that this is a dry cleaning machine. It's 99% solvent recovery. It's a brand called Firmamatic, made in Italy. We have been working with them for the last 27 years. We have installed more than 1,000 machines in India.
That's
so
right.
The per piece cost of dry cleaning in this machine is somewhere between 12 to 15 rupees, which is very economical, and this is dry to dry. You feed in a dry garment, it comes out dry.
That's right. That's great, actually. So, what new cleaning machines or technologies is Setfab showcasing at this year's Clean India show, and how do these innovations help business grow?
So the business is all about ROI, and whenever you talk about laundry and when you talk about building a commercial laundry or retail setup, it's always about ROI and cost per cycle. So our machines help the users achieve the lowest cost per cycle, whether it's processing linens or garments in a washing machine or a dryer. At the end of the day, what is the cost per kg? That is very crucial for us to understand, and this is the only point which can help businesses grow in the long run.
That's great, actually. So, how does Setfab help facilities improve energy efficiency and reduce operational costs in laundry operations?
Okay, all right. So this is a dryer. As you can see, that comes with moisture control. That's a humidity sensor inbuilt. So the moment the drying is achieved, there's automatic cutoff, so you don't waste a lot of energy. Now this is a washer. This works on a 1:9 principle also. So this is a 30-kilo machine with a 316 liters of basket volume. In 1:10 is about 31 kilo. In 1:9 is about 34 kilo. And maybe the per cycle water consumption can be as low as 300 liters. That's just 1:10. So you save a lot of water, and the best part about this machine, this comes with just a 2.75 electric consumption motor. So the cost per cycle of energy is very less. So this is how you can achieve utmost efficiency in laundry.
That's right. That's right. Now coming to the fourth question, what kind of after-sales support and service infrastructure does Setfab offer to high-volume laundry setups?
So we are in the industry for about 50 years, like you say, and we have about 18 offices. We have about 50 plus field engineers as well, and they are based out of Pan India, different locations, and we commit service to our customers within 48 hours wherever they are Pan India.
That's right. Now coming to the last question, tell us about the government initiatives like Make in India and Viksit Bharat. So how is your company contributing in that?
It's been about 5 decades that we're doing this, and the government is of course supportive, and Make in India is doing wonders for us. And we export. We export to countries like Russia. We export to countries in Africa. We do it. A lot of benefits and a lot of support from the government, and also we do a lot of government projects. So we are very, very much lined up with the government. So it helps us smoothen out our business, and a lot of initiatives under the MSME scheme which we kind of avail to kind of increase our export sales as well.
Thank you.